Who it is?
Buddy! Hello, my friend.
Oh, fuck, man.
Oh, what's happening? Nothing much.
Oh, shit.
Long way, cousin.
It's for me, bitch.
Oh, sorry.
Excuse the voice, I'll explain that later. Here I am. I got in yesterday. I am here. You probably can't see this, but I'm right by the lake. Decided to go on a little holiday, visit a friend, and try a bit of winter sports, some snowboarding. Which hopefully we'll get to. Yeah, as soon as I landed though, we got into a few beers, and then we went out to eat. Ended up at like 3 bars that he was familiar with here, and that's the result of this voice. Lots of shouting and drinking. Bye now.
Hit it out of the park or hit the road. You can either use your heart or lose your soul. Going into darkness out of control. We all know that when everything is perfect, there's no room to grow. Every single purpose out the window. Get a little nervous and let it go. Take it slow.
So today has been a lot of running around because apparently the snow mountains aren't opening as scheduled and they're being delayed. So now I have to figure out what I want to do. And I thought maybe we might go see this. So yeah, the lake. Might go see the lake. Maybe we go see Queenstown Hill. Maybe. I don't know, we'll figure it out.
It was there from the start.
Sarap. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. 2 minutes in. I'm dead. I'm dying.
Hear me, Anthony. I can't seem to find what I'm seeking.
Oh,
Misplaced in my love.
it's barely stuffed.
Carried in the current
Okay.
of last year.
So, how much further is it?
Anthony, my
Shut up.
mistakes are finally catching up.
It's meant to be 20.
I
My stupid ass.
simple acts
Taking
of
an hour.
love. Let them rust out bundled
That
up
view though.
with greed.
I've got some water here.
I am sick of seeing all the times I chose the lie.
This is where I die. Fuck. Fuck.
It's very trying to find a pair of shorts to buy.
Jesus. Oh, all the way there.
Sorry, parque is closed. No.
No. Oh, Jesus. Alright, how much longer? Tell me a lie. Tell me a goddamn lie.
Holy Anthony,
Oh, okay.
your passion is
Not much further from. Oh,
forsaken.
Alright.
Emulate although my actions flawed. Lost and I don't know where I have been. Hold me at the knees. Hang me upside down so I can find a living world outside of black and white. Color bursting forward and out of
15 bit more to go.
I'm sick of writing songs that make my father cry.
Fuck me. What is that?
So am I compelled
Shut up. Huh?
How much do you want on hockey gear?
About a year. Oh, the past 20 minutes, yeah.
First thing you wear
Yeah, I'm starting to feel it now. The weight of these shoes. Is this it? It's not it.
I may have overestimated my ability to hike, or I may have. I mean, I'm very unfit. I'm very unfit.